Hi everybody in Aha Oho Bhojanam Kitchens. Today we are going to see how to prepare simple and sweet recipe beetroot halwa. Come on, let's start. Is it not looking delicious? Take tawa, add 1 teaspoon of pure ghee and you have to grate the beetroots and keep it ready. I have grated one full big beetroot. For me it came nearly 2 cups. Okay, so you need to fry it in the ghee till the raw smell goes. Maybe approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You can do it in low medium flame. Okay, fry it continuously for 2 to 3 minutes. Even the color of the beetroot comes down slowly. After the raw smell goes out, I am adding 3/4 cup of boiled warm milk in it, and you have to mix it well and close the lid, and we have to allow it to cook for at least 5 to 6 minutes in medium flame. But in between you have to open the lid, mix it and again close the lid. Okay, at least twice or thrice you must do like that. Totally 5 to 6 minutes it must get cooked. So in between you have to open it and mix it and close it again like this. After 4 to 5 minutes of cooking, open the lid and mix it once. Look at that, it's becoming dry. At this stage you can add 1/2 cup of sugar. For one big beetroot I have taken 1/2 cup of sugar because already beetroot is a sweet vegetable. So this is enough for medium sweet. Mix it well. Anyway, sugar leaves some water in it, so we have to close the lid and cook it for some time. At this point of time, cook it in low flame, friends. After 5 to 6 minutes of cooking, open it and see. Still you can see some water in it. So close it and allow it to cook for 3 to 4 more minutes. At the meantime, in another small pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee and roast the nuts whichever you want. I am roasting cashews. This is for garnishing. Once it turns to golden brown color, you can switch off the burner and keep it aside. And you have to crush 1 cardamom and keep it ready. You can make it powder and keep it. And no need to throw the cardamom skin, friends. You can put it in the water jar and drink the water. It will be so tasty. After 3 to 4 minutes of final cooking, yes, it is almost done. At this point of time, we can add 1/2 teaspoon of ghee and mix well and open cook for 1 to 2 minutes. So totally we have cooked this for around 9 to 10 minutes, friends. Okay, mix it well. So after 10 minutes of cooking, it's done. See, all the ghee what you have added will come out in the sides. That means the sweet is ready. At last we have to add the powdered cardamom. Mix well and switch off the burner immediately. Yes, a tasty and yummy beetroot halwa is ready. At last we will garnish it with roasted cashews. Wow! Delicious, tasty and healthy beetroot halwa is ready, friends. It can be even served to your kids' friends. Those who don't like beetroot as curry or beetroot in sambar kind, you can prepare it and give them like this. They will really love to eat it. It is actually, melting inside my mouth. We used only little ghee. It's very healthy, friends. It's a wonderful evening time sweet. I would like to take this halwa without nuts because the beetroot halwa itself will be very tasty and delicious. So friends, prepare it at home and please share it with your friends and give me the feedback. Thank you for watching.